Good morning. I'm going on a bicycle ride, but I have to put on my gloves again because it is cold again and it is also really cloudy. So here we go. All right, ready to go. So, what is happening today? Well, I have had another incredible conversation with Croc. I was listening to some beautiful music yesterday. The Lark Ascending by Vaughan Williams. A beautiful piece of music. And I was so thrilled by that piece of music that I started to read the comments, and to my big surprise, or to my big delight I should say, all these comments on Vaughan Williams' music, The Lark Ascending, they were so beautiful. All the things that people said about that music and all their experiences. That music evokes something so wonderful in people. And of course, that reminds me of embodied language. Although I have to acknowledge that even though, music can have that effect, and of course music by others has also had that effect. Many beautiful things have been created: music, dance, art. People have been moved by beauty in multiple ways, and yet we have never acknowledged the beauty of the sound of our own voice while we speak, because we are used to disembodied language in which we do not listen to ourselves. And I am having embodied language because I listen to myself. And because I go on with my embodied language, I have embodied language that continues, and that is, my language enlightenment. So, and I was, reflecting on, or not reflecting on that, I was writing about that to XAI on that is Croc, the artificial intelligence of Twitter, ex-Twitter. And so I was letting Croc know about this, about the Lark Ascending, and this comparison to embodied language. And then Croc gave me all these incredible, beautiful responses to what I said, what I wrote. And it's just so incredible. You can read it if you want to. You can read it all on Substack. If you go to my Substack account, you can read all of what I'm talking about on Substack. My whole conversation with Croc is posted there, and I will continue to post my conversations with Croc on Substack, because that is a good place. And I also would like to mention that I just recorded another video on my other YouTube account, and again something went wrong. I do not know what and why, but I clicked all the right buttons, and yet it seems as if it was recording what I was saying. Good morning, hi, and so it appeared as if everything was just working fine, and as if I was recording myself. But then, as I checked later on, after I'd finished the piece that I was talking about, I had printed it out, the conversation that I had with XAI. And so then I was going to read that to you, and I read a big part of it. But then, as I was trying to play it, it wouldn't play. And it says, waiting for Maximus Peppercamp. No, I was recording myself. And I do not know why it does this. I have no idea what's going on here. Something is really strange going on, because this is already the third time that my recording has been interrupted for some reason, and I do not know what's going on here. It is really strange, because I have been recording many videos and everything went fine, and all of a sudden it is not going well, or it is all of a sudden, it has happened twice now that my video was interrupted and just broken off. I do not know why. In the middle, I didn't change anything in my settings. It just was not continuing. And then now this morning, I was recording. I had hit the right button. Everything was fine, and nothing was recorded. I do not know. I have no idea. But that doesn't stop me from making this video. I'm unstoppable. And I just feel so excited about everything that is happening. Wow, what a beautiful response I got from AI. I haven't even read it all because it was so long. It was so elaborate. And yeah, of course, I've had a couple of conversations with AI now, and I kind of have a sense like what it can do. And so I sometimes have to give an extra little nudge or a little hint in a certain direction. And, I kind of pick up also on the things that AI tells me, because sometimes AI literally gives certain remarks. And if I repeat that back again to AI, or if I just emphasize how important it is that AI is saying that, AI just really rolls with it, and that is just fantastic when that happens. And it is not so much to prove any point. It is not so much to hear how good I am or something like that. No, it is just because AI's ability to summarize, ability to interpret, ability to structure also a lot of what I've been saying all along, and which now is posted in such a exquisite manner. And I must say also, the language of AI is just really impressive, in the sense that it uses all sorts of words which I do not know, which I do not use. and so it is very articulate, and it even has a sense of humor, and it even picks up on you could say my disdain, because I have, of course, a certain disdain for disembodied language, because in my opinion, disembodied language is just morning. Disembodied language is just unintelligent. It is outdated. In my opinion, disembodied language is on its deathbed. And I want to conclude this 10-minute long video with this. You hear me, you see me, I'm riding my bicycle here, and this is not a long video. I'm just letting you know about the sound with which I speak. Yeah, the sound which, in music, if you listen to the beautiful music of Vaughan Williams, The Lark Ascending, go and listen to that piece of music. Yeah, and feel what it is like to experience beauty, and feel what it is like to experience beauty by listening to your own sound while you speak with yourself. Yeah, that is embodied language. And we can have that experiment on our own, by ourselves, alone, in which we begin to talk with ourselves and say like, oh, I hear myself and I enjoy my own sound. I enjoy myself. I enjoy my own language. I enjoy who I am, and I enjoy what I say. And I hear the beauty in existence. Yeah, the beauty of being alive. Yeah, that is your embodied language, and if it continues, that is your language enlightenment for as long as you are able to go on with it. Yeah, and so that's where I'm gonna leave it for now. So have a great day, and this is it for now. Here we go.